Alright, we got a 1999 Escalade 5.7 vortec, straight piped, no cats, no muffler, cold start. Don't mind that noise you hear, what sounds like a rod knock, is actually a number 2 misfire, but, you know, for the most part, it sounds pretty fucking sexy. Straight pipe. Full to a single. Cadillac 5.7. She needs a lot of work. Um, Oil pump's burnt out, so it says about that right there for oil pressure just under 40 when it's cold. That's how you know it's cold started. Once this bitch warms up, that bitch will go right down to 0. And no lifter tick or rod knock yet. Burnouts and all. 290,000 miles. I got it like that. I got it with the oil pump burnt out. I've been doing tranny flushes through the oil, tranny fluid through the oil. Lots of other things. Right now I'm running a full synthetic Quaker steak. 10 or 5:30 instead of 10:30, even though it's summer, with a quart of Rizzling oil treatment in there to get rid of the hopefully the misfire. I mean, a lot of sludge probably built up. Next video I post will be about taking off the valve covers and seeing if there's any rocker arms that are loose, causing the misfire, and cleaning all that up. And video after that here probably in about a year or so, because life's hard. I'm gonna be doing a full engine rebuild with new oil pump, rod bearings, LT1 hot cam, and I'm gonna get rid of the throttle body injection fuel injector bullshit and put carburetor on it and twin turbo in it. I'm gonna get rid of this whole section right here, or at least from here up, and I'm gonna put a 5-speed or 6-speed manual and all that. And I'm gonna get rid of the push button 4-wheel drive and make it an actual real lever for the 4-wheel drive. Get rid of the transfer case that I have under there, or just get rid of the actuator. We'll see. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe if you like the videos. Comment if you want me to post something else about my car. Shit, I got all kinds of videos. Motorcycle exhaust videos. I do welding videos, or I'm going to start doing welding videos. Just let me know. Alright. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.